Hello, I am in Gemas, Malaysia. Just got here on the train, and this is my room. I'm only here for one night until I take the next train tomorrow morning to get me to Kuala Lumpur. This is a deluxe queen room. It was 80 ringgit, I think is the name of the money here. I have to look that up again, which I think is like $20 US. So it comes with a big bed, 2 bottles of water. There's a plug up there. This very interesting window. So this actually opens up into the hallway of the hotel. And like, there's a grate and then just this. So when this is open, you can just put your hand through there. So obviously I locked that. And see, it's got a TV, a mirror, a little vanity desk. It's got a bathroom with that kind of shower. There we go. Some towels up there. And then a closet with no hangers. Of course. Yeah, this town is really just like a pit stop for a couple of the train routes. They all stop here and then people transfer onto a different train route or whatever. So the hotels, I think, aren't really being used that much, except this one has a bunch of police in it. There's a police station like right next door, and I guess the police live here. I don't know, there's like 20 or 30 police officers like wandering around, and they're not working, they're, you know, coming home to eat dinner or whatever. So here's the pillows. Seems pretty clean. Kind of firm foam pillows. Yeah, don't like that. I hate mystery stains. Okay, let's check. More mystery stains on the mattress cover. Let's see. Don't see anything, so that seems okay. Just kind of stained sheets and stuff. So, and it does have air conditioning, so I'm gonna have to turn that on pretty quick. Hello. Anyway, I gotta eat some food and then go to bed because I'm getting up early in the morning. I got a boba tea from a place next door, and they also had a Family Mart. So I got some sandwiches and chips and stuff. They also have a KFC, like for a town that is pretty much dead. They have some newer, like modern food stuff. So, and the KFC was like recently built, like it looked new. And the Family Mart was like fully stocked and shiny inside. Yeah, so I don't know what's up. It's kind of weird. It's like half run down, half new.